Good morning from Lombok. This is Uggy, this is Tokyo, and I'm Klo. And today we're going to show you how to get from Bali to Lombok. But first, let's recap. After 4 amazing years in Bali, we packed up our villa, said goodbye to our home, and so we became homeless. I think I forgot something. Homeless might not be the right word, but what we mean is living without a fixed place. There's so much to explore in this world, and we want to see as much of it as we can. And with that in mind, we started getting ready for the adventure. We rented an NMAX bike a week before leaving, perfect for carrying all our heavy stuff. We also added a box to the back of the bike to fit even more items. We got a tent that sets up in seconds.
Not heavy. Thank you!
One of those that just pops up when you throw it out. We were so excited, we couldn't wait any longer and ended up camping at home, testing it twice before we even left. Guys, I need help. And of course, we had to pack light, so I could only bring 5 shirts, 3 shorts and 2 jackets, no more. What to choose? Let's get started. Alright. Get ready to see me wear the same clothes for the next 1 or maybe 2 months. You know what? I'm gonna pack first and then let you know what I chose. Since you have to move everything to the storage room, I got this box to put all my clothes in and add a moisture absorber so that my clothes doesn't get ruined. And yeah. For me, this was tough. I usually stress about outfits. I love styling my clothes, I hate repeating them, but now I'm excited not to think about it and just wear whatever. It's a challenge for me, but I'm ready for it. I still have a lot of space. I know it might not seem like a big deal to some, but for me, it's a personal challenge. Life is about facing challenges and making the most of them. Every problem is just another chance to learn, grow, and have a bit of fun along the way. Don't you think? Moving on, why on earth are we giving up this beautiful villa that made us feel so good? We had everything, a pool, a cute rooftop, 2 bedrooms, an incredible view, a cleaning twice a week included. Couldn't get any easier. Babe, say hi. And most importantly, comfort. Wait, what did I just say? Comfort? Yes, that's the reason. It was too comfortable. Bali in general gets you so relaxed that you don't feel the need to move around anymore. And that's exactly why we left. You get so stuck in your comfort zone, and we wanted more than that. I'm definitely going to miss Bali and the energy of it all. There's something about this place that just gets under your skin. The vibe, the people, the whole laid-back yet lively atmosphere. And honestly, it feels like home in a way I wasn't expecting. Oh, and this is how we spend our mornings. We make mates, chat for hours before actually getting the day started. It's our little ritual, just talking about everything and nothing at all. I mean, if I think about it, nothing will actually change, except our location. Why am I doing that? Oh, yeah. After wisely choosing what to pack, it was time to send our stuff off. We decided to leave some of it with a lovely Balinese family we've known for a while. They have this crazy storage room, and it felt like the perfect place to keep our extra things safe while we're away. It's such a relief knowing we have a spot to store everything and that it's in good hands. It's time to say goodbye to our favorite. Ibu.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Actually, I need help. Not for the bags, but to put the bike up.
We failed. The bike is very heavy. And it's been like 2 hours we were trying to manage everything on a bike. But we don't think it's safe. So now the solution is to stay home and figure it out tomorrow. Because it's almost 12 a.m. I think it is already. So yeah. Glamping instead of camping. I think we missed 1 letter. It is not what I have expected. When I thought that we didn't overpack, we still overpacked. I think we're not used to it, but we'll get used to it. We're gonna know what to get rid of and what we have to keep. It was so easy to pack, but it took us so much time to realize what we're actually doing. We were just like robots moving around and sending stuff. Cool. I will take coconut milk. Alright.
We didn't even move from home.
No.
And the funniest part that we're supposed to move out 2 days ago.
We're still there. We turned on everything at home again. And music is on. We wore the pajamas. And we're drinking coffee right now. All this to tell you that we're still trying to manage and we don't know if we're going or not. But yeah, trying to keep ourselves awake. You know what we should put on TV? Guess. How to pack, how to camp, how to fit everything on a bike, something like that. You scared me. Second attempt. Pretty good. I mean, better than the first time. Nothing is perfect. I think we'll find a way and eventually we'll know how to manage all this stuff. But yeah, looks like we're gonna shoot someone from our bike.
Bombard.
Yeah.
If someone wanna learn from us how to do it, don't.
Don't. Here's the final result. Second attempt. It worked. I still can't believe we were planning to leave at 9. But when reality hits, things always go differently. We have just arrived and Uggy is getting us ticket from here.
Slowly, yeah? Because you see, you cannot enter. Wait.
Yeah. Come on.
Oh my god. Dimana.
Wow. That's it.
The woman was bullshitting. She said leaving 6:30.
You're kidding.
Then she said you entered the boat 6.
I think I forgot something. Did we forget something? You wanna come with us? You wanna go by? Okay, let's go. Kiss. Just kidding. morning. All we did is sleeping in that boat. We're almost there. We're arriving to the port of Lombok. Let's go. These are the updates since last time we said that we have arrived. We waited another hour. We're running out of energy. 0. Good morning from Lombok. We have just arrived to Lombok. And that's a very good start. Pissed. Shit.
Bahwa saat ini kapal belum bisa disandarkan dikarenakan dermaga penuh. Terima kasih.
It's like the old ringtone bell, the old bell in our home. Amazing, it's raining. One of the things we had to get rid of are the heavy rainy jackets.
We are in Lombok. With Tokyo. Hello.